So this is the Quantum drive, an Apple brand. Found this laying around and it doesn't work. Quantum Pro drive. BIOS date of 1988. There we go. Big, thick, scuzzy drive. Fairly loud. 1994. You'd think it'd be older than that, but let's see what's inside here. Alright. Really got her torqued down. Zoom in a little bit. There we are. They actually make this one fairly easy to open. Man, those are really torqued in there. No crazy torque screws or anything. That last drive I opened had all flathead except for one Torx that was super small, and who's ever got that one? Alright, let's see what's in here. Crack the seal. Is there a stick one I missed? Oh yeah. Duh, dummy. Get out of there. Alright, now we gotta crack the seal. Still held down somewhere. Let me guess, the warranty seal? Yep. Warranty is null and void. That's some crazy screw. But you can still get at it. Curious to see what this looks like. I don't know if the electronics just failed or the platters are just scraped to hell. This thing doesn't even show up. Doesn't detect. Alright. Here we go. That's weird. The platters are down here and yeah, the platters look fine. And it is a stepper motor. The drive filter. Must have just been the electronics that failed on this. Sure is pretty. I love these huge drives. Wow, that's really stuck. Man. It's got like a little glass window I must use for tracking information. Wow. Is the head just stuck? You can see that plastic thing just bending when you try and... Wow. Maybe there is a reason this doesn't work. Let's take the platters out. There. I got ugly fingerprints all over it. Beautiful. That looks... I guess that's normal. Look at all this fine machining. Could have saved some bucks and just wore one of those. Let's take the... Let's get the magnets out. It's a piece of art. Obviously, you never do this to a working drive. There's a magnet. Oh, man, that's strong. It really is strong. Oh, that's not magnetic. Wow. Nice. I better keep that away from my working drive. Now it's free. Weird. Get out of there. There we go. The heads all look fine. Looks like a bird. This is a weird design. How do you get this out now? Yeah. Let's see. I'm getting the beautiful platters all marred up. This ain't gonna do it. Nope. Oh, yeah. I don't have the right equipment. Oh, there we go. That platter looks fine too. But yeah, that arm was stuck though. I don't, maybe that's why it wasn't working. Come on. Yeah, that piece does not want to come off of there. Well, I guess we'll never know. what that other platter looks like. Yeah, that head was sure stuck though. Strange. And no, it wasn't a stepper motor. I was wrong. Voice coil. It's all voice coil technology. 6 heads. There's a glass tracking. At least I think that's what it is. I'm not even sure. I'm betting that's where it gets the head information. Cool. I think those are rare earth magnets. There we go. Pretty. Well, that's all to this. Look at all this machining, casting. They don't make them like that anymore. I might take this header off and use it in the Mac SE here, so this works. So that other header doesn't fit on that new drive I put in. So maybe we can make something work out of this drive, a little adapter. But that's that.